Ready to unlock a world of seamless financial connectivity? First things first, locate the Add Bank button within the app or service you're using that utilizes Plaid. It's usually found in the Settings, Linked Accounts, or Payment Method section. Tap on it. You'll now be taken to Plaid's secure interface. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of banks. Either scroll through the list to find your bank, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by name. Once you've found your bank, tap on its logo. This will initiate a secure connection request. You'll now be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. This is where you'll input your username and password, exactly as you would when logging into your bank's website. Remember, Plaid uses bank-level security to protect your information. Depending on your bank's security settings, you might be asked to complete a multi-factor authentication step. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or email, or answering a security question. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Next, you'll need to select the specific accounts you want to link through Plaid. Choose the accounts you want to connect and confirm your selection. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank account to Plaid. You can now enjoy a seamless and secure connection to the app or service you initially started with. You're all set.